Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here, for another foundation Friday. And today we're gonna test out this viral, this all over the place JUVIAS Place foundation. So if you want to see how that foundation work, how it perform, how it lasts, how it do its thing, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Okay, so we're gonna talk about Miss I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation. And so there's 33 shades, and I love that shade range, even if it's not like 40, 50, 60 shades. But look at the range, right? So there's tons of darks, there's tons of lights, or a mixture of both of them, which I think is amazing. There's 33 shades, and this is $23, so it's a little bit higher on the low end. So it's a low end foundation, but kind of in the low 20s. So I think, that's a little bit more expensive than the usual, like between $10 and $15. So my shade in here, I think, is 435, which is Punta Cana, and it says I Am Magic Radiance Foundation is high performance hybrid formula that delivers a buildable medium to full coverage with proprietary active skincare ingredients and natural herbs like acerola cherry ferment, rich in vitamins A, vitamin C, and antioxidants to protect and hydrate your skins. Again, it has 33 radiant, rich, and versatile shades that blend into all skin tones without leaving a trace of white cast or oxidation on the skin. So lightweight, non-cakey, the usual stuff. And then it has a little bit more than a fluid ounce, is 1.35 fluid ounce. So you get a little bit extra. And she looks like so she's like in a squeezy tube. Man, this color makes me nervous, or shade if I should say. Ooh. Makes me nervous. So let's check it. I feel like it might match me, but I got this at Ulta, and I have to say the shade range there is not the best. But is that a pump? Oh my god, is it not coming, or do I have to bend it and squeeze?
More moments later.
So this is not pumping. Oh my god, I think my pump fell. This is not good. So the pump is not working. But you know what? We're gonna keep moving. So man, I think that's a good shade. A good match. It does have a smell. Is it crazy? Okay, this might be a little bit yellow, but that's fine. So it when I went there, they did not have they didn't have a ton of shades, and this shade they did not have a what do you call that, a sample or a tester, sorry, so I could test it out. So I'm like, okay, we're just gonna wing it, and we're gonna take this one. And I was like, okay, this is close to the other shade that I use in the other foundation. So I was like, okay, maybe it is. But I feel like this is a little bit better. It's not crazy, but it's a little bit. It's more on the warmer side, and I think warmer than I usually go. That coverage though is the best. That's a good foundation. I can already tell. However, it's quite dewy. If you have oily skin, again, I have said this like a ton of times, because sometimes people are like, oh, I have oily skin, and they kind of don't want to, use something that is like radiance or hydrating or anything like that. Just prime the skin. Prime the skin, and then you're Gucci. Oh, you have to do it down like so. My bad. I was using it wrong. Got it. You have to have the water tilted. You see, I did not read directions, but man, that finish is so pretty. Same thing, I'm gonna use my touch. I like when I get this concealer, or not get, because I have these concealers for a minute, but I'll just find one and then I'll use it the whole time. But I don't know if I'm gonna use like Get Touch Shape Tape after this is done, because I'm like, I feel like it, I don't have like super dry under eye, but I feel like it is dry. But I have it already, so we're gonna use it. But when it's done, it's done. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. I actually really like how everything lay on that foundation. I'm gonna do my usual. I'm gonna do my 2 check-ins, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night on how this foundation works, how it perform, how it do it, you know. So see you guys later.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. Yeah, I'm about to eat, so this lipstick is about to go. You know the use. Everything is still looking good. I know the lighting is not the best here, but you know what? I'm just looking fabulous out of my hubs. You know, doing my Valentine's Day thing. But yeah, everything is still looking good. My face feels pretty matte. Right now I've been wearing this foundation for about maybe 3-4 hours, maybe like 3 hours. So yeah, everything is still looking amazing. As usual, I will give you my one more check-in, and I will give my final thoughts at the end of the night on how I'm liking that foundation, if it's worth your $23 or if you should, you know, save it and buy something else. So yeah, that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys later.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song.
So let's try that again, because I record and you know I had no sound. But yeah, foundation is still looking amazing. It's like my face is like matte, and by now I've been wearing this foundation for 4 hours. I ate, I was sitting outside because you know the weather is like perfect. I think it's like 70, which is like perfect to sit outside. We tried this new restaurant, I think it's called Este, which is kind of like, I think, some form of Hispanic something, but the food was amazing. So if you're in Austin, Texas, you should definitely try Este. But let's talk about this foundation. Like, this foundation is so good. Like, it's just so good. Like, man, I love how I lay my wig. It's like so, you know, I can just do my wig myself. I just have to buy it and then lay it, you know. But yeah, the foundation is, I don't know, I don't have anything negative to say yet, but we'll see. I'm maybe gonna wait for a couple more hours, and then I will give my final thoughts on how the foundation look and how everything is working. But everything looks amazing. Ignore these pimples, you know, stress. So see you guys later.
But feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Hi guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna give you the tea on that foundation. Okay, so let's take a look. Man, surprisingly my lipstick still looks amazing. I know this has nothing to do with the foundation, but I just had to say that. But because I ate, right, and it still looks good. But man, this foundation looks like amazing. Like look at this, and there's literally no shine, like zero shine. I'm looking to see if there's like something separating or anything like that, and no, nada. Everything looks just great, and I really like how everything is looking. So yeah, I think the foundation have a pretty good shade range. It has 33 shades, and it has, you know, dark, like tons of shades in the dark, tons of shades in the medium, light, and then fair. So I feel like most people can get a shade to, you know, match them, which I think is amazing. This foundation is supposed to be like kind of dewy a little bit, like, because it's radiant, so it's supposed to give you that kind of glowy finish. I think it does, but it also depends on how you prep your skin, and you know what primer you use, what moisturizer, and then how you set your face. I think it looks a little bit radiant, but nothing crazy. I think for the most part it does look matte and just look amazing, but it doesn't look like an uncomfortable matte, if that makes sense. But yeah, my final thoughts on this foundation: 2 thumbs up. If you can get if you can get your hands on it, I would definitely recommend it. It's $23. JUVIAS Place always have sales on your products, and so does Ulta, so just keep an eye on it. If you feel like $23 is kind of not low end and you wanted to spend a little bit less, I'll just look and see, you know, when they have sales or when Ulta have coupons or anything like that. So that's it, guys, for the Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving